Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about pattern. What is pattern? We call it as designs, sari border, tiles, rangoli. So these all are called as the pattern. Now see this example. I am completing one pattern. So we can see clearly that the rule is one up, one down, up, down, up, down. So then this is a repeated decorative design. Now first of all we will discuss about a square pattern. Take one star which is equal to a small square. This is equal to 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1 square. Now take 4 stars. This is equal to a big square. Now divide this square into 4 small squares, which is equal to 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. Now take 9 stars. Six, 7, 8 and 9. Now this is equal to a big square. Now divide this big square into small 9 squares. This is equal to 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. Similarly, we can take next time we will take 16 stars. Eight and 4 12 and 4 16. Now this is a big square. Now divide this big square into 16 stars. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this is equal to 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Now this is a pattern of a square number. 1 star is equal to 1 square. 4 stars is equal to 4 squares. 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. 9 stars is equal to 3 multiply 3, 9 squares. 16 stars is equal to 4 multiply 4, 16 squares. So this is the pattern of a square number. Now next thing, adding consecutive odd numbers to get a square number. Adding consecutive odd numbers to get a square number. First of all I am taking 1. 1 is equal to 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1 square. Now take 2 odd numbers, 1 and 3. Now add them. 1 plus 3. See what we get. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 2 multiply 2, which is equal to 2 square. Now next time I am taking 3 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9, which is equal to 3 multiply 3. 3 square. Now next time I am taking 4 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 4 multiply 4 is equal to 4 square. Now at every step, add the next odd number. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Next odd number is 9. And the total is 25, which is equal to 5 multiply 5. 5 square. Now what we understand? So this number, it shows a relationship between the square numbers and the odd numbers. Relationship between the square numbers, these square numbers, and these odd numbers. Now see, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, which is equal to a square number. 1 plus 3 plus 5, adding of these 3 odd numbers, we get a square number. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, adding these 4 odd numbers, we get a square number. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, adding these 5 odd numbers, we get a square number. Now next, I am taking sum of 8 consecutive odd numbers. 8 consecutive odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is equal to 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 11, 36, 36 plus 13, 49, 49 plus 15, 64, which is equal to 8 square. Now take one more example. Now I am adding 18 consecutive odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33 and 35. Now total of all these numbers is equal to 324, which is equal to 18 square. So these numbers are shows a relationship between a square number and the odd numbers. Hope you all are understand.